Good morning, friends. Today I will discuss about the slab and the difference between the one-way slab and two-way slab. Many questions can come from this topic, the topic which I am going to discuss now. Let us start. One-way slab versus two-way slab. What is one-way slab? Where L by B is greater than equal to 2. What does it mean? That is the ratio of the longer span by the shorter span should be more than or equal to 2. Then it is defined as one-way slab. The two-way slab if L by B ratio is less than 2. Second point. In case of one-way slab, the slab is supported by beams on two opposite sides. But in case of a two-way slab, it is supported on all four sides. In case of one-way slab, it bends in one direction, that is, it bends along the shorter span. But in case of a two-way slab, the slab bends in both directions. Number 4. Deflected shape in case of a one-way slab is cylindrical. In case of a two-way slab, the deflection is in the shape of a dish or a saucer. One-way slab example where you can see the chhajjas and the verandas. Two-way slab you can see in the floors of a multi-storied building. Sixth point. Main steel is given in the spanning direction, that is the steel reinforcements are given in the spanning direction. In case of a two-way slab, the reinforcement are given in both the directions. One-way slab is economical up to 3.6 meter, whereas two-way slab can be provided in case of a 6 meter by a 6 meter span also. One-way slab consumes less steel, so the depth of the slab is more. Hence, the slab thickness is also more. But in case of a two-way slab, steel required is more. So, the depth of slab is less and the slab thickness is also less. Last, I have discussed, I have just given one diagram. So, this is the example of a one-way slab, that is 2 meter by 6 meters. Suppose the span is like this way. So, the longer span by shorter span, that will be what? L by B, that is 6 meter by 2 meter, that gives around 3. So, this is more than 2. So, this is an example of the one-way slab. But let us take the example of a two-way slab, 3 meter by 2 meter. What is the ratio of the longer span by shorter span? That is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? 1.5. Less than 2. So, this is two-way slab. And as I have shown you, told you about the deflected shape. Now, here is the diagram that one-way slab bends in a cylindrical way and two-way slab bends like a dish or a saucer. So, this is the diagram for that. Thank you.